Sequoia, the ancient redwood, had witnessed millennia. His bark, etched with time, held stories of glacier and dinosaurs. But now, a new kind of chill ran through his roots. The air, once crisp and clean, tasted metal. His leaves, usually vibrant emerald, drooped, coated in a film of black. Pollution choked the once vibrant forest. Despair gnawed at Sequoia. He couldn't watch his skin, the whispering pines and playful maples succumb. One moonless night he stretched his branches towards the star-dusted canvas above. It was time for a desperate plea. In a language older than words, a language of rustling leaves and whispering winds, Sequoia spoke. He poured his sorrow and the forest plight into the vastness. O universe, he murmured, weaver of galaxies and nurturer of life, we, your children, are choking. A sickness fills the air, stealing our breath. The universe, a tapestry of twinkling stars and swirling nebulas, seemed to pause. A single star, brighter than the others, pulsed in response. A warmth trickled down Sequoia's ancient core. He wasn't alone. Days turned into weeks. The metallic tang in the air remained, but the change was stirring. A gentle breeze, carrying the scent of wildflowers long forgotten, rustled the leaves. Birds, absent for years, returned with their melodic songs. One morning a young girl with curious eyes appeared at the forest edge. She gasped, her gaze around to Sequoia's towering form. This was new. Humans, once a constant threat, now seemed to see, to truly see, the beauty of the forest. The news spread. People flocked to Sequoia, not with axes, but with questions and a newfound respect. They learned about the delicate balance of the forest, its importance in their lives. Slowly, change took root. Factories adjusted their practices. Cars became cleaner, and children planted saplings. Sequoia, his leaves regaining the emerald sheen, watched with hope. The universe hadn't spoken, but it had listened. The answer hadn't been a magical fix, but a nudge, a reminder of the interconnectedness of all things. And that, in the ancient language of the trees, was a mighty, powerful message.